Hello gardening friends, this is May 28th and this is what's blooming in my garden right now. These here are hardy geraniums. This is Loosestrife right here. This is Sweet William. I think this is a very good combination of these three plants here together. It's the blue and the yellow and the red. Look very good together. Look at the combination of these red lilies next to the Loosestrife. I just love this Loosestrife. Blue. I didn't think it would have to put it out there. The common ones you see are red. I put them here because they're they attract pollinators like this bee right here. The bloom right here. When these open up, it smells really good out here when you come out the front door. The Loosestrife, it's moved over here. It's easy to move, and just to do this. There's red hot pokers. Bloom here. And this plant's not been here that long, maybe just a couple of years. But look at how it's doing already. As it gets a lot of sun in this area right here. This is something that the hummingbirds like and other pollinators. Penstemon, that's what it's called. These pins here. So I think I'm going to cut them